Hi guys, this is Raghu, founder for Yellow Messenger, and here I have Kishore, who is the co-founder. So Yellow Messenger is an instant messenger between consumers and businesses. So what's the problem that it's really solving, right? So the way that consumers contact businesses right now is you search through some of the sites or Google or just and then go to your phone and try calling businesses. I think the biggest problem there has been that I think there's a lot of friction in contacting businesses. You either the number is not correct or it takes a long time to get to the right person and get to the right information. So I think that's not as efficient as it can be. And how about businesses? I think the businesses are spending a lot of, how do businesses reach customers? I think they go through email campaigns, SMS campaigns, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of money for them to really contact a lot of consumers, while we have all the over-the-top platforms like WhatsApp and stuff like that. So I think these are the two big problems that Yellow Messenger tries to resolve. What does it make Yellow Messenger attractive to consumers? It's fast, simple, so it makes connecting for consumers to connect to businesses as simple as you use WhatsApp to connect to your friends. You just search for a business and immediately start chatting about a requirement on your product or making a transaction, buying something, arranging an appointment, reservation, all that through messaging, right? I think what makes it different, I think as Amrish has pointed out, the WhatsApp brought a big difference in the way that people connect with each other, right? It's asynchronous, so in a phone call you are on the call for the entire time that you get your product information or you get your thing done. Messaging is asynchronous. You send a message, you get it after 2 minutes, so you can multitask and you're not on it for the entire period. And it's free, right? You're connecting businesses for free. It's an over-the-top platform. And what do businesses really get from Yellow Messenger? So they can so they can import their contacts and invite them to Yellow Messenger and create their own business channel where they can communicate the promotions, offers through this platform, right? Again, 10x cost reduction really out there. They're not spending a lot of, SMS marketing is a 60 billion dollar market across the world. So there's a huge potential to reduce the cost there. So what we aspire to be, Yellow Messenger aspires to make the communication and transactions between the consumers really fast, easy, private. Right now you share your phone numbers whenever you contact a business. So that's not available. So I think it makes it much more efficient. So how does Yellow Messenger make money? I think we are solving a consumer problem, business problem. One of the things, whenever people connect to businesses, there is a really high purchasing intent when they are selecting a business and going to them. So we are helping businesses improve their sales, improve their customer support, and improve their engagement with the consumers. These are the three big levers for any business to make money, right? So we take a part of it in terms of premium subscriptions where businesses can register with us, and for every promotion or for responses beyond a limit, they pay money for us, and commission on transactions. So market size, I think it's huge. I think it's what will limit in terms of the business size is only the ability for us to execute, because at its full potential, every business and brand is a potential customer. So the market size is really huge. The challenge with us is to really build the market traction and engagement out there. So far, we launched for a public beta in 1.5 months back, and till now we have around 1,500 downloads daily, about 50 to 75 active users, and around 30 to 40 messages per day with consumers contacting to businesses, and a very high interest level from both the consumers and businesses to really use this model and see the benefit from it. So we've seen a lot of excitement there. And so then I think we believe that the instant messaging is really continuing to transform the personal communication. So I really see messaging take over the calls, and SMSs, and I believe the time is ripe for communication between consumers and businesses for a similar transformation, and we want to really be at the helm of it and pioneer that change. So I have a short video on the real demo of the product. So I think that would probably explain it for itself. So before we can start off. Sound. Yeah. So this is the real app that's out there in the market. So you could browse for any product, search any business that's available. So we have around 30 million businesses that are up there that you can contact and communicate with. Um, and okay. Okay. So you can see here where the businesses can connect back to the consumers in terms of the offers and stuff. We'll see a live scenario of a consumer connecting it to a business and chatting with them. So here the consumer is looking to contact, make a reservation at a hotel. So we're able to negotiate at a restaurant, book a table at a restaurant. And these have been some of the live use cases per se. And interesting anecdote and scenario, I think that that kind of came up is, I think one of my friend was saying he booked, he was planning a party with his friends over the night, and he had to book. And at the same time, he was having an argument with his wife, and he said, yeah, at that time, I wouldn't have really called a restaurant at the same time when I'm probably having an argument, but I could look busy and type something and get things done while still continuing the argument, right? So that's a use case that something that we. So here, so we have enabled e-commerce through messaging, where consumers can contact, can ask for a product that they want, check the price on the e-commerce websites, and they can actually make a booking through the messaging service itself. Sure. So that's all I have, and I'll be open for any questions.
Do we have any question for Yellow Messenger?
One question is that when a user like me wants to enroll, what is the authentication process? How do you make sure that I'm not spamming or I'm not?
So we have three use cases. One is a Facebook login, Google login, and a telephone SMS authentication. That I think that's fairly common. Right?
Well, thank you so much.